So I'm back here in Tennessee, and it's really coming down. It's been raining pretty much all week, but tonight it's really raining like crazy. I want to share some of that with you. I saw some thunderclouds and some lightning while I was in Georgia, but I didn't feel any rain. While I was while I was at the ocean and while I was at the beach in Georgia, I found this little guy. You may not be able to see him too well, but I found a little hermit crab. I didn't know I was picking up seashells, and I didn't realize that the one I picked up still had the crab in it. And, I brought him all the way from his home in Georgia on the beach to Cosby, Tennessee, and I feel bad about it because I did not mean to do that, but I'll try to make the best for him, set him up with a little home. Well, I hope you're all safe. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.